Hello everyone. In today's Python session, we will see about parameterized constructor. A quick recap of past session. Constructor is a special function which is used to initialize object of a class. Why it is special? Because its name is fixed double underscore init double underscore, and there is no need to call constructor. It is automatically called when we create object of a class. Types of constructors are default and parameterized. Today we will see the example of parameterized constructor. A constructor with parameter is known as a parameterized constructor. I am writing one class, suppose demo, and here I want to use parameterized constructor. Constructor is a function, that's why it will start with def keyword, as it is a special because its name is fixed double underscore init double underscore, and in bracket self keyword is fixed, and after comma we can give number of parameters. Suppose I want to calculate area of rectangle, so I need two parameter a comma b. So length and breadth I will receive in variable a and b. That length and breadth I will be taking in my variable l. a a value which is received over here, that will be assigned to my variable l, and self dot breadth is equal to self dot br is equal to b, which is received in the parenthesis. Now the value to the variables are initialized in the constructor, and a constructor with parameter, so a constructor with arguments is known as a parameterized constructor. Now I am writing a simple function cal, which will be calculating the area of rectangle. So self dot in AR variable I am storing answer self dot L into self dot BR. So area of rectangle is calculated, and I want to show the answer area of rectangle. The answer is self dot AR. Now the function body is done. I want to end the class. So if my Python code starts over here, if my Python code starts over here with the statement like welcome, and now I want to read length and breadth from user. So in Python code, I am taking variable, suppose x is equal to int, in bracket input I am giving message as enter length. Length will be read. Another input I want to take as integer, and from keyboard as an input, and the message I want to give to the user as breadth. And this length and breadth which is received in variable x and y, I want to pass to this constructor as an input. So this constructor will be called automatically when I will create object of demo class. So object is equal to class name round bracket. Here if we create object like this, it will invoke default constructor only, a constructor with zero arguments. But I have a parameterized constructor which is taking two inputs. So while creating object of that class, I must pass two input, and that input I have read in x and y variable. I can pass that over here x comma y. So what does it mean? The D object of demo class is created. It will check is there any Parameterized constructor in this demo class? Yes, it will check there is a constructor with two arguments, and this x value will be taken in A, y value will be taken in B, and these A, B values are assigned to the class variable length and BR. And now to calculate the answer, we have to call the function, because cal is a normal function, simple function that we call using object of a class. And after that, we will end our code. So this is our parameterized constructor. I am saving this code PR, and if I am executing code by pressing F5 key, it has executed. Enter length, enter breadth, area of rectangle is 6, and the last line is by. So what has happened, when we run the code has started executing from this line. Print welcome, it is printed. Enter length, message is taken, two value is taken in x variable. Enter breadth, it is taken into y. Object is created and 2 comma 3 value is passed. At the same time, the constructor is called with 2 3, and that are assigned into variable. Done. Next line, d dot cal, it will invoke this function, and this line will be executed, and the answer is displayed on the screen, and it will come back to the next line. So this is about parameterized constructor. A constructor with parameter is known as a parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor is invoked automatically when we create object of a class, but while creating object, we must pass the parameters while creating the object. So this was about parameterized constructor. I hope you have understood the session. See you in the next session. Thank you.